How to create a social media post to all of your platforms from within the AI empires. Let's go take a look at this. Now, what we're going to want to do when you come into your dashboard is you come here on the left side and we are going to click on marketing. Okay, from there, that is going to take you to your marketing dashboard. You don't have to go to every platform anymore to make a social media post. So what we're going to do is come up in the top right and we're going to click on new post and then click on create new post. Now my social media accounts are all hooked up. We're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of them and I'm going to back out Google My Business. You can't directly post videos to it from within inside here, but you can do images. And we're just going to let all the other ones go. So I have my Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, X, TikTok, and YouTube accounts all hooked up. And we're going to put how AI and automation can assist Ironforge spelling and talking at the same time. Not great at it, I'll be honest with you. Commercial repair, sell snowplows. Make it obvious. You don't need to be cute in your titles, just A to B, right? And then we're going to add some tags in here. So we're going to do these that are saved in here. Saved hashtags. The AI empires, apply that. And make sure and add all your tags that are relevant to you. Automation. And I want to add a new tag in here. So I'll go Ironforge commercial repair, and that'll add that new tag in there. So now we have that saved for the next time, ready to go. And now we need to add a video. So I'm going to come down here and click on the add video. I'm going to upload a file, which is that Twitch clip I just took on a live stream. So we're going to optimize that process. If I'm live streaming, get your social media videos filmed, put them in here, schedule them for later. Life is good. There's our video. Excuse me. So you just get it uploaded, ready to go. And we are good to go on these platforms. Make sure you scroll down a little bit. I'm going to make that into a Facebook reel. Same thing on Instagram. TikTok, make sure your options in there. Comment, duet, stitch. Do it all inside one platform. And then we'll do the same thing for YouTube. We'll just say how AI and automation can assist Ironforge commercial repair, sell snowplows. Okay, we're gonna make that into a short as well. Let's see. So good, we're good on privacy. I mean, we're trying to post this. We're gonna come down here, we're gonna schedule it for, let's go 8:30. So just 15 minutes from now, we'll break it up a little bit. We'll go 8:30 and schedule post. And now I'm creating a social media post live streaming to all of my platforms. So if I'm going to be selling some snowplows and promoting that campaign we just launched, you can come in here and you can really just make all the posts from one place. So you don't have to go to your profile and then you don't have to go to YouTube. You don't have to go to TikTok. It's just boom right here. And so, I mean, all of them. So that'll save some time in promoting the snowplow. So when you're going to make a post, come in there, share it to all your platforms at one time. That way it's just one video, post all platforms, move on to the next thing for your day. And I hope you guys like that video. That's how you create a new post in the AI empires.